ConsultLink is a digital health company that's focused on the patient care team. We have a mobile platform that brings together the entire patient care team around the care of a patient. We deal with patient care transitions, consults, and the daily work of patient care. So we make it really easy for the entire care team to exchange directly and immediately relevant patient data and communicate super easily among one another in order to reduce medical errors and become more efficient and communicate more easily.
I'm living in that 21st century, doing something mean to it. Do it better than anybody you ever seen. Do it, screams from the haters.
Hey, good afternoon, everybody. I'm Alex Pastashek, and I'm the founder and CEO of ConsultLink. I want to talk to you this afternoon about communication in healthcare, as this is a critical patient safety issue that remains incompletely addressed despite the advanced technologies that we have in play. Now, never was this clearer to me than the day that we lost a patient. We were operating on a veteran with kidney cancer, and we're suddenly in dire need of blood. And a breakdown in communication cost this man his life. This never should have happened. Ineffective communication didn't just hurt my patient. Every year, up to $400 billion in healthcare costs are attributed to medical errors, and up to 80% of these errors are due to poor communication. With numbers like this, it's no surprise that medical errors continue to be the third leading cause of death in the United States. Now, I'll tell you that as a physician, communication in patient care is a big deal. The average cancer patient has 10 to 15 care team members, all of whom are having disconnected, two-way conversations about that patient with no easy way to share all of this information with everyone else on the team. Just as concerning is the fact that we continue to use inaccurate, outdated, and disjointed communication technologies in healthcare. We still use paper notes to keep critical patient information and physically pass these between one another. And despite it being 2017, I still use a pager and a page operator to keep in touch with my colleagues. At ConsultLink, we're changing the model for communication in healthcare. We're connecting patient care teams to the patient and to one another in order to improve patient safety, patient satisfaction, and care team efficiency. Let me show you how we do this. Now, the foundation of our care coordination platform is immediate access to care team members via phone, text message, or video conference. And then we take things to the next level by helping care teams collaborate seamlessly by providing them with the right patient information at the right time based on best practices and derived directly from electronic medical records. Active task management, so everyone knows what's been done on a patient and what's still pending, and track patient care responsibility, so the whole team knows who's responsible for a patient at any given time. We're tackling the healthcare market by focusing on the communication events that occur at the end of a shift. These are called handoffs. Now, once we monetize the handoff and plug into customer workflows, our long-term vision is to tackle additional communication points across the patient care spectrum and to truly become the nexus for patient and care team communication and collaboration. In terms of competition, others have addressed various facets of communication and workflow. However, we know that the communication issue in healthcare is more than just a single workflow. And as a result, we've chosen to build a modular enterprise platform. And what this allows us to do is be both more comprehensive and flexible than our competition in meeting our customer needs. Our software as a service business model facilitates rapid deployment based on monthly user license fees. And our pricing is in line with market pricing for comparable and even less robust solutions available today. To date, we have a patent pending on both our handoff and our consult functionalities and have validated our product at Baylor College of Medicine, a revenue-generating engagement. We have a product ready for commercial launch and are currently in discussions with 2 large Texas Medical Center hospitals. We have a proven and diverse team with current knowledge of the healthcare landscape, mobile and enterprise software expertise, and business-to-business health sales and marketing experience. And we're currently seeking $1 million in funding to reach key milestones, including feature upgrades, improvements to our UI, and expansion of our sales and marketing efforts in order to acquire more customers. We've got $250,000 of this round committed so far, and we're also seeking additional customer implementations as well as partnerships with like-minded companies and healthcare institutions. So we're really excited about where we are and where we're headed. And I hope that you all join us in transforming patient care. So thank you, everybody, for your time. And again, we are ConsultLink, where patient care happens. Thank you.